My fuse board needs an upgrade. Can you do it? Don't worry, love. I'll sort it out for you. First of all, we started off by isolating all the circuits. Then we needed the magic meter man to come out and isolate the supply. Shit. Back to the install, we got the testers out to make sure that the fuse board was now dead. Now it's dead, we can mark up all the cables in correlation with the old circuit references. To save time, we just chopped them all out of the fuse board. Now that all the cables are disconnected, it was time to take the old fuse board off the wall by unscrewing it. I was very indecisive of how I was going to do this fuse board today, but we're going to try something different using stuffing glands. So we got the fuse board out of the box and we're going to use the holes in the top of the fuse board, but these were 20mm. I wanted 25mm, so we used the hole saw with the bluntest teeth. It had less teeth than a crackhead. So I ended up drilling out a great big hole in the top to put a big old stuffing gland in there, and then we used the 20mm holes. Starting to regret using the stuffing gland way, but we're in deep. We fixed the fuse board to the wall using some red raw plugs and screws, got the cables in, and whoever cut that earth that short is criminal. They need locking up. Towels in the side of the board, that was an absolute nightmare, but we got them in. Bonding conductors terminated. As the earths were cut so short, we had to do it as the crow flies. Unfortunately, not every fuse board is really nice and neat. This is real life. Anyway, now that all the earths are terminated, it's time to get the RCBOs in. Nice and simple, clip them in, screw the fly lead to the neutral bar, and then it was time to start terminating the cables into the top of them. My favourite recent purchase, this £6 bucket. Throw all the rubbish in here and that's job done. Now it's time for the buzz bar. You know the drill. Big bit, big breaker. We turn the supply on and now it's time to turn the breakers on. Squeaky bum time. Obviously nothing tripped because we already tested it and we're professionals. Power back on. Time to do the final test and get paid and get out of here. That's £7.50 well spent, love.